Let's now take a quick look how to use the Spot Color tool to do a quick color comparison. You can access this module by finding the Spot Color tool from the home screen, clicking on it, and when you enter the module, a message will come up asking you to measure substrate white. This enables us to provide our ChromaTrack technology, giving you guidance as to how to adjust density on press to achieve better color. When this message is up, simply take the instrument and place it on an area of the substrate that has no ink. Click the button on top of the instrument once for the measurement to take place, and once it comes in, that dialog will automatically disappear. I'm now going to do a comparison measurement between GCMI 33 and 34. The software is already on measure reference. The software is expecting me to measure my target first. So I take the instrument, I place it on the color I want to measure, and I want to ensure that the entire bottom of the instrument is on the color that I'm going to measure to ensure that the aperture is only filled with the color I intend to scan. I then press the button on top to begin the measurement, and then that measurement will come into measure color. I then reposition the instrument on the color I want to compare, press the button on top, that measurement will come in, and then I can see the color difference. Now in this case, because I was working with such a different color, the software is advising me to check the ink because there's nothing I can do. However, if I take the instrument and position it back to where I measured the target from, and take another measurement, what I'll see is that my delta E is very low, a 0.06, and the software indicates that this is the best match. This is the first way of doing a quick comparison when you measure both the reference and the sample with the instrument.